Challenge number 1, part 1. Get the data that appears in cell D5 to appear in cell A1. On this video, we'll start with the easiest ways. So, if you have a better way, write your way in the comments down below, and I'll be happy to write your way and your name on the next videos. I will briefly explain what you will see on the screen. The formula number will appear here. The formula itself will appear underneath it with double quotes. Note, a number can appear in Excel in two ways. Define it as a number and define it as text. If I write a number, it will define as a number. But if it's drawn from a formula or I got the workbook from someone else, then it may appear as text with characters of number, but it's defined as text. So, if the original data is a number, will I get a number from the formula? The answer is over here. Now, if the original data is text, will I get a number or a text? The answer is over here. If the original data is text, will an error received? What is the type of function? And what kind of referral is it? Absolute or relative? Now, the people who have recommended this solution appear over here. Write the data that appears in cell D5. So I go to cell A1, I enter it with a click, and I select the characters that appear in cell D5. The characters in this example are 5 and 0. Then I click enter. Equals D5. I go into cell A1, I enter it with a click, and I select the characters equals D and 5. And then I click enter. Another option is to write equals and then select the cell D5 with the mouse and then click enter. Equals absolute D5. We enter cell A1 and we write equals D5. Then we'll press F4 and the cell will be absolute. If we want only the row to be absolute, we press F4 a second time. If we want only the column to be absolute, we press F4 the third time. If we want a relative cell, we press F4 for the fourth time. Or we don't press at all, F4. Copy and paste. I go to cell D5, I select it, and I press copy. I go to cell A1, I select it, and then I press paste. Another way, I go to cell D5, I select it, and I click the buttons Control and C. I go to cell A1 and I click the buttons Control and V. Copy and special paste link. I select cell D5, I copy it and I go to cell A1 and I select paste and I select the paste link.